Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got a huge mystery box unboxing to share with you, and it's a Typo Mystery Box from cottonon.com, and it is huge and it's really heavy as well. And this is their Home Vibes mystery box and it costs £35. Looking on their website to give you some background information, they have loads of mystery boxes. They've currently got 20 mystery boxes for stationery addicts, self-care mystery boxes, digi-detox mystery boxes, games and gadgets, bored AF, staying in mystery boxes. They start from £10 and I think the most expensive is £35, what I've got. I'll have a quick look. I think it is £35. Yeah, most of them are around £20–25. All the products that are featured in the mystery boxes are usually discounted products on sale on the Typo page. You might not have a clue what you're getting, but the value is always worth double or more of what you've paid for. So I've had a quick look in mine, not all of it because they're in boxes like this, but there's one particular thing that really stands out. I'll show you first. But if you're interested in these boxes for yourself, then I'll pop a link down below in my description. Although, because it's a mystery box, they're random products, you won't receive the same what I've been given, but you're welcome to take a look if you're interested. Bit of fun, could be a present for someone, you know. You'll find it listed down below in my description, so underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you click that, that'll bring up my description and you'll see it all down there. Let's show you the first item, and it is a print. Massive canvas. And there it is. Oh, see, I'll just turn my ring light off. Hold on. I need the ring light because it's so dark in here, even though I've got lights on. But I just wanted to show, oh, look at the reflection of the flipping window now. It makes no difference, does it? It makes no difference. But yeah, got an abstract canvas there. This says Typo Gallery Artist Series 60x40 canvas, white colour frame, high quality canvas material, designed in-house by Australian artists. And it's not really my style. It looks cool, it does look cool, but it's not wow. So I don't know what to do with it. I'm not really sure. It could be hung that way. Oh, ring light does my head in. But I need it for light. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe my daughter might want it. She's got a bit of pink in her bedroom. Might go nicely. We'll see. Next up, got a box. Oh, I love these boxes. I have unboxed another one before. What's this? Ask me about my dog, please. Oh. Oh, okay. I do have a dog. I have two, so that's handy. I'm not a cat person or a non-animal lover. Oh, it says the price here. This retails for £5. How much does this canvas retail for? £20, that canvas was. So I really like that cup. I like the colours. It's like cream and forest green. Yeah, chuffed to that. Ask me about my dog, please. That's a bit random. That's fine. That is completely fine. What is this? Ooh. Oh, a nice large sippy cup. A sipper smoothie cup. Sip it real good. Okay, BPA free, safe plastic, reusable plastic straw. You might not be able to see, but it's got add alcohol. It's got ice, booze, more alcohol, add a mixer, and more spirits. I was just going to say my daughter might like this. She has smoothies every night, and yeah, it's just like the perfect size for her. I do really like the colour of it though, or I could use it just as my water bottle. I do have a few of these, but I quite like this one. I like that it's see-through. I really like that. Okay. Whoa, this is hard. It's a vibe. Just one more episode. Sweet Woods scented candle. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, to purchase this it will cost you £7. But as I said at the start, most of these products are on sale or can't be bought now. This candle is worth £12. Sweet Woods scented. Handy as gifts to pass on to people. Oh, I like that. It's all black. with just some writing there that you can barely see. Ooh. What is the smell? It just says sweet woods, and it's literally sweet woods. It's like a bonfire, but there's something sweet in it as well. It says here, used for covering gross smells or making your room feel nice when people are coming over. Flipped out retro flip clock. And this retails for £15. Oh my gosh, I really like that. Look. That is so cool. So do you do it yourself? Yeah. Yeah. You just press the top to change it. Oh, I really like that. Just put battery in the back. That is so cute. Yeah, happy with that. I'm keeping that. Got another box here. Oh, it's got sellotape over it. Oh, and a price. It's a mug, Central Perk, black. So it's a friend's mug. And it's worth £8. Oh, wow. That is huge. A bit of a controversial opinion here, but I never liked Friends. I'd sit down and watch it if it was on, but I never used to like it. I just used to think it's stupid. Yeah, I just didn't find their humour funny. And I know I'm in the minority. I know there's loads and loads of people that absolutely love them, and which is why they brought out all this stuff again. But I really like this. Besides this, the design doesn't bother me. This is amazing soup cup. Look at that. That is huge. Look, it is huge. Yeah, really, really happy with that. I wasn't at first. I was thinking, but no. I love that. A soup cup. So besides the canvas, everything I really like and will use. 2 more to go. There's a box here. Matte black butt. It's worth £12. Look. Oh, I love it. I love it. Now, which way would you have it facing? I would have the bum, I think. Yeah. I think it's gorgeous. Definitely use that. A butt planter. White chess piece. Okay, £12. I'm not a chess fan. I can't play it. I've tried to learn so many times, but I just can't do it. Oh. Oh, wow. This is a little bit different. It's a little castle planter. Well, it's a chess piece planter. How quirky is that? I actually really like that. I didn't know what to expect. I really like that. Yeah, I love it. Really happy with my box. I paid £35 for the Home Vibe. I think that's what it's called. Home Vibe mystery box. And yeah, literally, besides the canvas, which is not to my taste, I don't know where I would put it. I'll see if my daughter wants it. I'll just go through it. I've got the chess planter. I've got the butt planter. I've got a cup. I've got a sippy cup. I've got this gorgeous bonfire smelling candle. This is a bit weird, but it's fine. I really like the colours. I've got a cup. I don't like Friends, but I really like this. Soup mug, bowl, whatever you want to call it. And then lastly, this retro clock, which I adore. I am really chuffed with it. I'm just going to add them all up to see how much it would all come to if I were to buy them individually, if they were still available, that is. I think it comes to around £79. I could have missed some things out because they're all scattered around my feet, all the packaging and everything. But yeah, I am really happy. £35, and I got some really great, bit quirky, but really great items. So yeah, definitely worth it for me. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of the items I was sent? If you had gone and bought this box for yourself, would you have been happy with what you've received? Or not? I would love to hear what you think. And also, if you've bought any other Typo mystery boxes, I'd love to hear what you got and what you think of them. So yeah, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't done so already, as it all helps my channel to grow and get seen, especially likes and comments, because the algorithm on YouTube is really bad at the moment. But I'm not going to moan. I'm not going to moan. If you're watching this until the end, then thank you. Thank you so much, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.